किए हैं। आयुष को समर कैंप बहुत अच्छा लगा है। मैम सब बहुत अच्छा से कराई है। सबसे अच्छा आयुष को जुम्मा लगा है। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, myself Rahul Ustogi, my daughter Prakya, who is studying in grade 3rd, and my son Daksh, who is in standard 1. Both of them are studying in D.Y. Patil School. A great initiative has been organized by the school management in the form of summer camp, where a whole lot of activities such as dance, yoga, art and craft were organized. Both the kids have a good time and enjoyed each and every session of it. A sincere thanks to the school management and the teachers for their effort and guidance. Thank you.
My name is Harsh Chandra. I am in class 3C. My class teacher name is Mrs. Rashmi Jha. Today I want to share my experience of summer camp. I learned a lot in summer camp, like Zumba, some art and craft activity, freestyle dance, etc. My experience was very good. I had a lot of fun in summer camp. Thank you to my all caring and loving teachers.
Good afternoon, D.Y. Patil principal and all teachers. A lot of activities were done for the children in the camp, like Zumba, freestyle dance, yoga. All the teachers worked very hard, and the children got to learn so much. I want to special thank for his class teacher Rashmi Jha ma'am, Meetu Gupta ma'am, and Nikita ma'am. Thank you.
In 2 days, Dr. D.Y. Patil International School organizing summer camp through online. So, what you feel after the 2 days program?
I felt very happy and graceful in the program. The program were very filled with happiness, and the sessions were art and craft, dance freestyle, yoga, and Zumba aerobics. In these 2 days, I noticed that I am very excited in the sessions. Thank you, and special thanks to our respective teachers, our director sir, and our principal ma'am. Thank you.
So the 2 days session are very most important for our kids. So thanks our teacher and director sir and principal ma'am. Please organize next time this type of program. Thank you very much.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Jaslis, class 3A. I am really excited after attending summer camp. I had learned so many things like art and craft, dance, Zumba.
Afternoon, dear respected teachers and principal. I am Aruhi Singh. I study in class 3C. My class teacher name is Rashmi Jha ma'am. My school name is Dr. D.Y. Patil Pushpalata Patil International School. I like to join this summer camp that you have organized in these 2 days, and I learned many things from this summer camp. All the children enjoyed this summer camp, and I also enjoyed the summer camp. Thank you, ma'am.
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। मैं अरुई सिंह की मम्मा बोल रही हूँ। मैम, अभी जो समर कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था उसमें बच्चों ने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी सीखी बच्चों ने। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि वीक में एक दिन इस तरह का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो ताकि बच्चे कुछ सीख सकें। थैंक यू मैम।
I just wanted to say thank you so much to my class teacher Rashmi ma'am for running such a wonderful program in this summer camp. I had a lot of fun in this summer camp and would love to get back. My favorite activity were yoga, but what I would like most about summer camp all the teachers and my dear friends. I made a lot of friends who I still talk to today. Thank you for providing me such an awesome summer camp. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Sanjana Bharti. Good morning, I am Swati. Today our father will give feedback of summer camp.
myself, Dr. Suman Saurabh. In this pandemic time, our children are less activity. The school and teacher are more relevant to summer camp. The teacher are nicely present like dance, Zumba classes, yoga, color and craft. etc. My ward here learnt a lot of enjoy and fun in this summer camp. Again, thank for the DY Patil School and its family. Thank you.
My name is Chirag Verma. I am from grade 4G. I had fun and learned with excitement in the summer camp. I liked it. It was full of creativeness. I done art and craft, yoga, Zumba and dance. I enjoyed it a lot. I loved it too much. Thank you.
I am Arif Prakash of class 4B and I like this summer camp. There we explore new activities and some more things and online classes also. Please join this summer camp. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Vishnu Shankar from 4B. Today I am sharing few words about our summer camp which is going online through this year in a new and amazing way. There are some amazing classes like dance class, yoga class, art and craft class and many more. We are learning new things and I am enjoying it a lot. I was thinking that we will miss our summer camp, but it was really a new and innovative experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Singh, mother of Angel Shekhar Singh. This is my daughter Angel, who studied in DY Patil School, grade 4E. My daughter is very smart, talented, intelligent, loving and caring. I'm very proud that I'm her mother. I want to thank her school and her respected teacher due to the good education system provided by school and her teachers. That's why my daughter is so talented. Even in time of pandemic, they are organized online classes. Along with our children studying, summer camp organized which our children enjoyed a lot. So I want to thank once again DY Patil School.
Hello everyone, I am Aradhya Jyoti, grade 4C Dr. D.Y. Patil Pushpalta Patil International School. Yesterday and today I have fully enjoyed the online summer camp and Auntie app organized by our school. Yesterday at first Mona Lisa my yoga class was fine. I have enjoyed yoga. Then I have learned art and craft features from Deepshikha ma'am. I learned so many types of art and craft there. Then I have enjoyed dance class of Tanishri ma'am and Jack sir. They are good. Dance class is very full of enjoyment. Overall, both the sessions were very good. In future also, I want such types of classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am mother of Aradhya Jyoti. Aradhya enjoyed the complete session of summer camp. This type of programs should be organized in future also.
I am Sandeep, I am mom. आप लोगों ने जो समर कैंप का ऑर्गेनाइज किया उसे बच्चों ने खूब एंजॉय किया। कोविड की वजह से बच्चे बहुत बोर हो चुके थे घर में। आपने समर कैंप लगा के बच्चों को खूब एंजॉय कराया, जैसे कि डांस, मस्ती, म्यूजिक, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, योगा। बच्चों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा और थैंक यू फॉर मैम, टीचर। आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया बच्चों के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर स्कूल प्रिंसिपल मैम, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया ये ऑर्गेनाइज करा के बच्चों ने खूब एंजॉय किया। थैंक यू मैम फॉर समर कैंप।
Thank you for summer camp.
She is my daughter Sambhavi Manna, grade 3D. अभी 28 and 29 को डॉक्टर डी वाई पाटिल स्कूल में समर कैंप ऑनलाइन लिया, जिसमें बच्चों का स्किल लेवल बहुत डेवलप हुआ। बच्चों ने क्राफ्ट सीखा और जुम्बा क्लासेस, डांस, ये सब, क्योंकि इधर रेगुलर बच्चे पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे थे और ये सब से बच्चे बहुत खुश हुए और उन लोगों को कोविड-19 में एक मौका मिला इंटरटेनमेंट का और कुछ सीखने का। ये स्कूल की तरफ से बहुत ही अच्छा योगदान रहा और हम लोगों ने भी बहुत अच्छा योगदान दिया। टीचर्स जो थे वो बहुत ही अच्छे थे और बहुत ही बच्चों से कोऑपरेट करके बच्चों से क्राफ्ट बनवाए, डांस करवाए, तो टीचर का योगदान बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा। थैंक यू।
Ma'am, my name is Vanya Chandra. I study in class 4. My section is D. My school name is Dr. D.Y. Patil Pushprata Patil International School.
Hi, I am Vanya's Papa and I am proud on my daughter Vanya. Physical education and art and craft and other activities that we are teaching our students in the summer or any leisure vacations, that should be continued. Actually, it should remain the integral part of educational systems, since different students from smaller class students are facing huge number of academic load. And in this condition, it is essential that they should get other activities, involving other activities, what you are teaching in summer projects. And so I'm thankful to you that my daughter, apart from this learning all the things, my daughter is also becoming interested in other yoga, etc. after these type of events. So my request or humble request is that make it as a integral part of your educational system. Student will get benefit for this. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Singh. I read in grade 3D and my school name is Dr. D.Y. Patil Pushprata Patil International School.
Hello everyone, I am Ritesh Singh, father of Siddharth Singh, class 3D. I had never thought that the online summer camp can be so much productive and interesting as well. I thank the D.Y. Patil team for coming out with so much innovativeness, and that too in this situation of pandemic. The utter dedication of all the teachers can be clearly felt. Moreover, they have kept our children engaged in yoga, zumba and craft, dance and the other activities. I value the efforts and concern of all the staff of the school. Thanks again.
Thank you, teacher. Hello, I am Harshvardhan Singh. I want to tell how I felt at the summer camp program. I felt very happy and graceful at the summer camp program. It was very lovely time. In 2 days, the sessions were dance, freestyle, art and craft. Special thanks to all respective teachers, director sir and principal ma'am. Thank you.
स्कूल के द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज कराया गया समर कैंप बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। बच्चे काफ़ी एक्टिव रहे इसमें। ये उन्होंने खूब मस्ती की। मीत, कैसा लगा समर कैंप?
We are very enjoy.
मंत्र?
We are very enjoy.
Very good.
टीचर्स ने काफ़ी एफर्ट्स दिखाए अपने। योगा, जुम्बा डांस, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, डांस भी बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। सारे बच्चे मिलके काफ़ी एंजॉयफुल रहा बच्चों के लिए समर कैंप। थैंक्स टू ऑल टीचर्स, थैंक यू।
ये जो स्कूल में ऑनलाइन समर कैंप का जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ है उसमें बच्चे बहुत ही अच्छे आर्ट कर रहे थे, जो कि बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। पढ़ाई लिखाई ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है, उसके सिवा आर्ट भी कुछ होना चाहिए, जो कि बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा किया है। और वैभवी ने तो बहुत ही अच्छा किया है। उसने एक ये देखिए, उसने एक ये आर्ट बनाया है जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और स्कूल के द्वारा करवाया गया है, जो कि बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू मैम।
Hello friends, I am Kaustubh. In last 2 days I enjoyed my summer camp very much. I learned different type of dances, aerobics, art and craft and many more in my lockdown period. Thank you. Bye friends.
Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi of grade 9. Today I am here to share my experience about the virtual summer camp with you all. Due to the pandemic, school had to organize a virtual summer camp this year. It was really outstanding. The class of personality development conducted by Rakesh sir was phenomenal, while the Santosh sir class was really amazing. Rakesh sir told us about the time management, anger management, goal settlement and much more, which will be help us to develop our personality more better and become a good person in life. While Santosh sir tell us about the developing Android apps which will be help us in our future. Overall, it was a great session and thank you Dr. Diva Patil School for organizing such a great camp for us. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hello everybody, I am Shivani Kashyap of class 9A of Dr. Diva Patil School. I am glad to attend my first summer camp which was held today. And I just loved it, and the classes which are organized for the summer camp are so good and so informative for me. Totally reflects the kind of hard work, energy and time that all teachers have put in for such an interactive and informative lesson. I have done 2 classes of summer camp and both are very knowledgeable and interactive for me. Especially thank you Rakesh sir who teach me about soft skill in the very first class of the summer camp. I really like the way he teaches. The last but not the least, I am very thankful to the teachers and organizers of Dr. Diva Patil School for organizing such an awesome summer camp. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Vishnu Shankar from 4B. Today I am sharing few words about our summer camp which is going online through this year in a new and amazing way. There are some amazing classes like dance class, yoga class, art and craft class and many more. We are learning new things and I am enjoying it a lot. I was thinking that we will miss our summer camp, but it was really a new and innovative experience. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. And ma'am, this summer camp we have to, do lots of things, ma'am. We are doing dancing, arts, and many things. So, ma'am, see, ma'am, I have made this. This is the very useful thing. So, ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Very good morning, all of you. I am really very happy to know about that DY Patil has organized this summer camp. It's a really great for our children because this summer camp has give lots of physical as well as the mental boost up for all the student, and Yuvraj is really very happy to join this summer camp and
I am
also participate.
Very happy to do this. I have made something where it is. See, I have made something this ma'am has done.
And
thank you.
This type of activity really good for a student. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. मैं मायरा कत्था, ये मायरा, ये उसकी मम्मी और वो कुमारी किसा, मायरा की बहन।
हम लोग आपको ऑनलाइन समर कैंप के बारे में बताने वाले हैं कि वो कैसा है। उसमें 4th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और 1st क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आर्ट, डांस और योगा होता है। डांस में बहुत कुछ सिखाया जाता है, आर्ट और योगा में भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया जाता है। अब मेरे पापा 2 शब्द बोलेंगे इसके बारे में।
इस लॉकडाउन के समय इस टाइप की एक्टिविटी एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है और इससे फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज इन लोगों का तो होता ही है, साथ में मेंटल एक्सरसाइज भी होता है और कुछ नया क्रिएटिव करने की भी भावना इन लोगों के मन में आती है। और हम लोग भी देखते हैं पीछे से बहुत अच्छा लगता है इन लोगों को डांस करते हुए, डांस करना सीखते हुए। और थैंक्स बहुत करना चाहेंगे सभी को, टीचर्स एंड अदर स्टाफ, प्रिंसिपल, जो उन्होंने इस तरह की एक्टिविटी ऑर्गेनाइज की। और उम्मीद करेंगे भविष्य में भी इस टाइप से कार्यक्रम लोग करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।
कोविड के समय में आयोजित की गई समर कैंप से मेरे और बाकी बच्चों को काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला है। और टीचर की अच्छी कोशिश रही है बच्चों के लिए, और आरिफ भी काफ़ी एंजॉय कर पाए, और बाकी बच्चे भी घर में बैठ इस मुश्किल वक्त में काफ़ी एंजॉय कर पाए होंगे। टीचर की कोशिश बहुत ही अच्छी रही है, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।